See if I can try it without the other bit of metal. First, don't think that's working now. Hopefully that's good. If we go on the other side. Fuck yeah. So yeah, it's definitely stuck on now, so now we'll just clean it up a bit with the grinder. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So, alright guys, what do you think of my latest weld? That's kind of it. It's just a bit of steel garden rod, I think. Stuck to a bit of what was galvanised, metal from Bunnings. I cut that with the infamous angle grinder that I have. It's just another practice weld in the bank for me, so till tomorrow, I guess. I'll catch us later and hopefully just slowly move on to bigger and better things. Bye for now.